Hello guys, this video is about the Facebook ad account creation. So if you've watched my past two videos, you know that we created a Facebook page, we created our business portfolio, added those together, Instagram was connected, and now in this video we'll check how to create an ad account under that business portfolio. So this is the professional way of running ads, not just the professional way, this is the ideal way to run ads for any business in general, not just limited to wellness clinics. Let's just add it. So let's create an ad account. So create a new ad account and we'll say that's my ad account name. I'm gonna give it the time zone GMT plus 00, and the currency for me will be GBP. So I'll just have to find that. Obviously this is not in the alphabetical order. So then this ad account will be used for my business. So I'll use my business. I agree to the terms and conditions and I want to create the ad account. So that's pretty much what we need to do. It's pretty straightforward. If you have done the previous steps properly, you don't have to carry a lot of hassle in this part. But yeah, now it's going to ask you to add your payment info. So you'll add your own card to it. So basically just add your details here, GMT plus 0, that's fine. Go to next step and add your own card. So hit next, add your card details, and you're good to go. So I'm not going to add it now. Yeah, that's pretty much what you need to do to connect your card details and everything. And now come over to the ad accounts, assign people, and add yourself, because that's just me who created it. Add yourself, assign yourself to the ad account as someone who's going to manage this ad account and all the ads under it. If you don't add yourself, you're not going to be able to access this. So if I refresh, it's going to enable this open in ads manager for me. If I click on this, it's going to take me to the ads manager. So it's really simple, don't have to worry about it. And obviously if you haven't connected your payment method, they're going to keep nagging you for adding the payment method. Anyway, so that's the ad account. And now we have everything ready. Trust me, we have everything ready for running ads for your wellness clinic business now. Now let's talk about the ads, but we'll do that in the next steps and the next videos. So hopefully this was helpful and hopefully you understood everything until now. See you in the next one.